Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today I'm going to be opening up some tie-dye from my last online tie-dye workshop. So I've been trying to do these as lives, but I was having some problems with my camera today. I don't know what is going on, so I just figured I'll record it and then put it up. So I'm just going to pretend like this is a live. Adjust my camera. So let's start with this one. Now I wrapped this one up right in the drop cloth that came with the kit. So I'm going to just clean up my studio as soon as I can once I am done here. Okay, yeah, this one is looking very saturated. Okay, let's open it. And nice, I got a really cute heart. Awesome. Okay, so this one I'm going to set aside. Oh, shoot. All right, I'm gonna just go rinse this right away. All right, so I got the heart one rinsing right now. It's just soaking in some water because I just didn't want it to get blue on the orange or purple on the orange. So let's open up this one now. I just wanted to let you guys know that I actually have started to list some of my tie-dye and ice dye shirts for sale on my website. So I have not been doing that until recently. I mostly just focus on teaching workshops and content creation, but I have a lot of t-shirts now, so I figured I should just put some online and see what you guys like. So you can go to my website and check it out. I do free shipping for domestic orders within the US. All right. So this one is a radial wagon wheel pattern in orange, red, pinks, yellow. So this one, I'm not as worried about getting the colors on each other. So I'm gonna just put this in my little container here. All right, so finally I have my spiral. Let's open this one up. It's really wrapped up super tight. Okay, here we go. All right, let's do it. Oh wow, that one is really, really bright. Okay, cool. So I am going to take these now and rinse them and wash them. And I will show you guys the finished result on Instagram. So you can go and follow me at Onyx Art Studios on Instagram. And I can also post them in the community tab in my YouTube. So stay tuned, and thank you guys so much for joining me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.